Alright, time to put this back in my room where it belongs.
Get it out of my living room.
Let's see. It's gonna be interesting. Nope. There we go. Alright.
Come on. There we go.
Alright.
There we go.
Almost there. Alright. It's in. The track is aligned. And I made the tubing go all the way back to where it was. And now, this is the very first time I've run it through the beginning of the course in probably 6 months. You know what? Let's do all or nothing. Let's turn the elevator on. So the elevator's running. Got the train here. We'll see. Hopefully it makes it through the course and hopefully it activates the elevator. So let's see. Oh, that didn't turn out very well. Yes, let's get it. Try to go the other side of the elevator. Nice. One more time, let's see if we can make it 3 in a row. Nice.